Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Tapon app with good settings. Here, here in this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Tapon app and you will click. Then we click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Tapon and you will enter Tapon like this, and then you will update your app if you find